Hey guys, it's Alvin and welcome back to my channel. Better yet, welcome back to a new upgraded section of the floor. Kinda. Well, what do you guys think? I redid the entire front part of my room. So yeah, that's new. So first and foremost, happy Halloween weekend. It is now Sunday when you are watching this video, which means it's not Halloween yet. It is the 27th. And it might not be 1 o'clock when you guys are watching this because you're probably out trick-or-treating at this time or probably just doing spooky activities this weekend. And that's totally fine. Knowing me, you know that I am the biggest Halloween person ever. In fact, I actually celebrate Halloween 61 days out of the year instead of 31 days, beginning in September. It's just something about Halloween that just makes me come alive, or unalive, in the spirit of Halloween. Spirit, alive, unalive, literally puns not intended. But anyways, so for this week's video, I thought I would show you guys how to make a little DIY costume. And what costume would that be, Alvin? I'm glad you guys asked. For this week's video, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY Jughead costume. Now, if you don't know who Jughead is, literally where the heck have you been? So Jughead has been around since the 40s in the Archie comics, and now the Archie comics have been revived into this little show called Riverdale. And that's where I got this idea from. If you haven't gotten a costume yet, or if you just want to find out how to do this little DIY costume, then keep on watching. Alright, so let's get this video started. Now, so the first thing that you are going to need is a flannel of any kind. I personally use this red and black flannel because often Jughead is always seen with a flannel tied around his waist, and this just kind of adds that flair that Jughead needs for his outfits. This flannel smells like bonfire, and I need to wash that. Double points if you don't wash them. You'll also be needing a pair of dark jeans. Now you can use any kind of jeans that you want, but I personally like these black ones because Jughead's vibe is more dark and moody and troubled. A must. And to go along with that pair of jeans, you will also be needing a pair of boots. Now I personally like these brown boots because Jughead is normally wearing brown boots, but you can use any boots that you do feel comfortable with. These just make the look a little bit more authentic. Bonus points if the boots are a little bit worn or vintage looking to give it that authentic feel as well. And Jughead is also known for the SHERPA line denim jacket that he typically always wears on each episode of the show. This one I bought from Abercrombie and Fitch last year, or the year before that, and this is actually one of the warmest jackets I've ever gotten. And this specific wash is very crucial because Jughead does wear this dark wash colored one. I do have a light wash one, but I don't think that one would really complete the look since his look is a lot more darker. If you have any trouble finding these items, I'll be putting the link in the description below where you guys can get your own, and hopefully you get it before Halloween comes. And finally, Jughead would be nothing without his infamous beanie. Now this beanie I actually got from Spirit Halloween. They also sell this at Hot Topic, but this one at Spirit Halloween is a lot more detailed than the one that they do sell at Hot Topic, whereas this one is actually knitted, and the details on the side of the beanie are a lot more quality than the ones that Hot Topic sells. And yeah, no shade to Hot Topic. Alright, I'm gonna go try this outfit on and I will show you guys the final product. And here is the completed look of Jughead's costume, lined with a SHERPA denim jacket. You can go ahead and take it off and toss it over your shoulder for that extra bit of flair. And go ahead and toss and turn. Actually just turn, because why not? And there is Jughead's iconic beanie. You will be needing that as well. And I also did go with a darker shade of a flannel because the red and black kind of didn't really go with the outfit, but I feel like this is much more better. Also, to give that little bit of extra flair, have a milkshake just like Jughead and pose like so. Well, there you guys go. I certainly hope that you enjoyed this week's video on how to make your very own Jughead costume. If you guys like this video, and as always, please make sure to give this video a big old thumbs up and drop a comment about what you're going to be for Halloween this year. Hopefully it's a Riverdale character because that'll be one badass costume. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go now. Riverdale starts in about 5 minutes and I'm gonna go edit this video after it's done, and I'm gonna go make food because I'm hungry. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching this week's video, and until next time, I bid thee fare thee well. Goodbye. Oh, by the way, there's going to be a new video up, not next Sunday, but on Halloween, and stay tuned for that one. Alright, I'm going to go now for you. Happy Halloween weekend, and bye.